Starting a business is a thrilling endeavor, one filled with boundless potential and opportunity. But as many entrepreneurs quickly discover, growing your business beyond your immediate circle of family, friends, and acquaintances is a challenge that requires more than just quality products or services. We're going to explore how to close more leads and turn them into loyal customers, focusing on the first method, doing it yourself. You've worked hard to build a business you're proud of, offering high-quality products or services and providing exceptional after-sale customer service. This dedication helps you grow, but it often keeps you within your comfort zone, unable to reach new customers. The next step is to generate leads. These are potential customers who have shown interest in what you offer. But what's the point of having leads if you can't convert them into paying customers? That's where closing leads comes into play. Here are 3 ways to do it effectively. Let's dive deeper into the first method, which involves personally closing deals. Closing deals requires remarkable negotiating skills. And contrary to what you might think, negotiating is more about listening than talking. When someone shows interest in your services, the last thing you should do is bombard them with information about all your offerings. Instead, start by asking questions. Get to know them on a deeper level. Discover their needs, their pain points, and why they're considering your service. This approach serves 2 essential purposes. It helps you tailor your offer to their specific needs. It builds a relationship based on trust and understanding. Once you've gathered all the necessary information, craft an offer that's tailor-made for them. It should be so good that it's almost impossible to refuse. Remember, it's not just about giving them a great deal. It's about giving them a solution to their specific problem. After presenting your offer, resist the urge to immediately justify it or fill the silence. Let the offer speak for itself and wait for their response. In negotiations, silence can be your most powerful tool. It puts the ball in their court and can often lead to a more favorable outcome. You'll only be able to close a deal if you can walk away from it. Your potential customer must sense that you're not desperate for the sale. This means you need to let go of any desperation or attachment to the outcome. Remember, it's not just you who needs the deal, your customer needs it too. Confidence and a willingness to walk away. If the terms aren't right, can be powerful motivators for both sides. To truly master the art of negotiation, we highly recommend reading Negotiation as a Martial Art. Techniques to Master the Art of Human Exchange by Cash Nickerson. This book covers the essentials you need to become a more effective negotiator. But as with any skill, practice is key. The more you practice your negotiation skills, the better you'll become at closing deals and turning leads into loyal customers. The second approach to closing more deals involves enlisting the expertise of sales professionals. While hiring a trained salesperson can be challenging, it's an option worth exploring. It's important to remember that no one cares about your business as much as you do, and that's precisely why many business owners prefer the do-it-yourself approach. However, if you decide to go this route, here are some valuable insights. When you bring someone on board to handle sales, it's crucial to provide them with the right motivation. One effective method is to offer a commission or a percentage of every sale they close. This approach aligns their success with the success of your business. If they lose a client, it's not just a missed opportunity for you, it's a direct hit to their earnings. By incentivizing your sales team, you're encouraging them to be more engaged and dedicated to the business. The idea is to create a sense of ownership and shared responsibility. This way, you'll have a team that's genuinely invested in the growth of your business. In the world of sales, not all professionals are created equal. Some possess a rare and remarkable ability to close deals with ease. If you come across a salesperson who consistently delivers outstanding results, don't hesitate to offer them a deal they can't refuse. This might mean a more substantial commission or other perks, and it may not be the cheapest option, but it can significantly elevate your business. Remember, the more efficient and capable your sales team is, the more you'll sell. While it might seem like you're parting with a significant percentage of your business's revenue, think of it as an investment rather than an expense. When you keep your sales team motivated and well compensated, your business stands to gain more in return. It's important never to be overly greedy when it comes to your sales budget. Cutting costs on your sales team can be detrimental to your business's growth and success. On the contrary, consider allocating more budget into your sales efforts as much as possible in the right ways. Effective salespeople are the lifeblood of your business. They bring in revenue, build relationships, and pave the way for your business to thrive. While it may require an initial financial commitment, the long-term benefits of a well-compensated, motivated sales team far outweigh the costs. Your investment in them will likely lead to exponential returns for your business. The last approach to closing more deals is to hire a specialized agency. At first, this may seem like a significant investment, but it's a strategy that can serve as an effective shortcut to success. When you work with an agency, you're not just outsourcing the task of finding leads. You can also enlist their expertise to close those leads and turn them into loyal customers. At Viva Vibe, we've had the privilege of working with numerous companies, especially in the solar and construction industries. We take pride in the fact that our clients often refer to us as the best thing that ever happened to their business. This is because we approach every job with the utmost dedication and professionalism, and we believe in building relationships that result in win-win situations for both parties. Hiring an agency offers several advantages. Expertise. Agencies have specialized knowledge and experience in lead generation and conversion. They can quickly identify potential customers and apply proven strategies to close deals effectively. Time efficiency. When you work with an agency, you can focus your time and energy on other aspects of your business, such as product development or customer service. This allows you to leverage your skills where they matter most. Scalability. Agencies can scale their efforts to match your business needs. Whether you need to close a few deals or a multitude, they can adapt to your requirements. Cost-effective. Contrary to the misconception that agencies are expensive, they often provide a cost-effective solution. Their expertise and efficiency can lead to substantial ROI. In conclusion, there are 3 primary methods to close more leads and turn them into loyal customers. Do it yourself. This method is for those who want to take a hands-on approach to sales and have the time and skills required. It involves listening, customizing offers, and exuding confidence. Hire sales professionals. If you're looking to build a dedicated sales team, offering them incentives like commissions can be highly effective. When you find exceptional salespeople, invest in them to elevate your business. Hire an agency. Hiring an agency, like Viva Vibe, can be an efficient and effective shortcut to success. Their expertise, time efficiency, scalability, and cost-effectiveness make them a valuable partner in your journey to close deals and grow your business. The right method for you depends on your specific business needs, available resources, and personal preferences. Whichever path you choose, the ultimate goal is the same: turning leads into loyal customers and achieving the growth and success you aspire to. That was it for today, but are you a business owner ready to take your company to the next level? Look no further. Viva Vibe offers top-tier marketing plans and training programs for businesses like yours. Contact us at vivavibe.co and unlock your business's full potential today. Viva Vibe, your vision, our vibrant strategy.